In the 11th century, personal hygiene was not very popular even in the upper classes. It was a foul-smelling era, but after a royal marriage, suddenly the world began to be perfumed. The Venetian noblemen invited in Byzantium in 1004 to celebrate the wedding of the son of Doge Pietro Orseolo III, Giovanni, and imperial princess Maria Argyros were twice surprised. The bride ate with a fork, and to the wonder of the guests' nostrils, she gave off a lovely scent. So the Byzantine Maria Argyros may be considered the first sponsor of Venetian perfumes. The young bride inspired the Venetians the use of perfume and the art of its production, starting a long and fortunate era. In Byzantium they were widely used since a long time. There was even a perfumers' guild controlled by the city eparch, the prefect of Constantinople, and disciplined by a rulebook, which will later be called in Venetian Mariegola, Mother Rule. Each perfumer will have his own place and will not be dishonest against the other, but they will help one another so that they will not lose material or profit. They shall not keep spices or unpleasant substances. There is nothing in common between stench and perfume. So begins the document written in the 10th century. The emperor, whose real aim was to ensure an alliance with the growing power of Venice, never could have imagined to have offered the Serenissima such an important commercial weapon.